Three stocks to talk about today, and we're going to start off with BKKT. These were some fantastic opportunities. Very, very, very simple strategy that starts right through here, right out of the gate, and this is what is referred to as a flag. Now, this is a bull flag straight off of the VWAP. These are the types of trades that we look for non-stop, and you can see right through here, we push out of the gate, pull back, light pullback, hits the VWAP, we take out that high, and then price rallies from there. We use a profit target taking tool that I'm not going to be talking about in this video, but you can see that this stock, BKKT, rallied up almost 26%, and it all started right down through here. A lot of people will trade dips. I don't mind them. I'm personally a flat top breakout type trader, and you can see right through here that this presents a nice, beautiful, clean flag, holding the 200, holding the VWAP, not much different than this one. This is GRCL, and you can see that today this thing rallied out of the gate, had a nice little pullback, and then blasted from there. And again, it's not the cleanest looking flag, but the same situation is showing up again. We've got price action flagging over the VWAP. The VWAP is over the 200, and then from there, price action rallies, puts in 25% gain worth of work. Not different than DCFC, and you can actually see a flat top breakout of the pre-market high right through here. Very, very clean trade again. This thing breaks long after building this very, very simple base all the way through pre-market and into the cash market. And then again, we've got the 200, we've got the VWAP, we've got price action crushing that previous high, moves straight up into a halt. Nice big move from there. Again, we do some base building all the way through here before stepping up into 1981, which was the high of day. This stock was up 50%. So you can see that we are doing the same thing every single day, whether it's DCFC or it's GRCL or it's BKKT. It is the exact same setup. It's a high probability situation that shows up. We like to overlay this on top of volatile stocks, and then we put the risk on, we see what the trade does, and we're always using these profit target taking tools, which I'll talk about in another video, which will give you some actual visual insight as to where you should be taking these trades off. This is why we scan the markets, to cut out a lot of the noise. I hope some of this has helped.